familiar, brief, intense experiences of migraine sufferers. Migraine has a chronic form, central sensitization. It has been observed that migraine sufferers have scarring within the brain. This may be a complication from the repeated inflammation associated with cortical spreading depressions or other migraine events within the brain. Eventually, parts of the damaged nervous system simply generate low-grade, frequent, unwelcome symptoms, such as increased sensitivity to touch or light, daily headaches, tinnitus, or diminished cognitive functions. Central sensitization partly explains why migraine sufferers have different symptoms at different stages in their lives. Also, the damage to blood vessels from inflammation may explain the higher rates of stroke in migraine sufferers. And head trauma to the hypersensitive central nervous system may make migraine sufferers more vulnerable to chronic headache syndromes. The brainstem may be the core of migraine disease. Another factor in migraine disease is that abnormal electrical activity of one set of neurons may affect the behavior of adjacent ones. The brainstem is the crossroads of much of our brain circuitry. It is here that information controlling many body functions congregates in clusters of cell bodies called nuclei. When electrical messages arrive in one nucleus, they may be rerouted to other parts of the brainstem, hypothalamus, thalamus, and cortex. These nerve centers have exotic names such as the trigeminal nucleus, pulvinar, dorsal raphe, and locus coeruleus. While the trigeminal nucleus is the control center for headache pain, these adjacent nuclei control stress, balance, mood, sleep, and the autonomic system. An example is the generation of symptoms from the nasal and sinus region. Many people mistake their chronic migraine symptoms for a recurring infection. In fact, one form of chronic migraine disease is where the trigeminal nucleus generates signals that the brain interprets as abnormal pressure or pain from within the paranasal sinuses.
And that's all for today. Thank you. At abangan na lang po ang continue. Bye! Huwag po kalimutan i-subscribe ang aking channel, Joyce Canis. Sana'y nagustuhan nyo ang aking post.